So using Handbrake, what you can also do is you can embed out subtitles to a video as you like. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto File, and let me just go ahead and open up this video file right here. So now in order to add in a subtitle to this file, I'm going to go around over here onto Subtitles. And over here right now, I don't have any subtitles. So I'm just going to go around over here onto Tracks, and then you can see that Import Subtitle is an option. So what you can do from over here is you can go ahead and then, let's say for example, navigate to the folder where you have your subtitles right here, just like this. So what you can do is open it up right here. So now what you can simply do is you can go ahead and choose the language that you want the subtitle to be in, choose the character code, and this is what you have. So now I'm just going to set this out as default right here. So this is going to be English right here, just like this, as you can see. So once you set it to default, what happens is that the users will get an option to either turn on or turn off the subtitles. So let's just go ahead right here and then erase this out, and then I'm just going to keep the destination as it is right here, and then click on Start Encode. So now you need to go ahead and wait for a while until the encoding finishes. And now I've skipped to the part where the encoding has finished, and then you can see that this is the video right here. Let me just go ahead and open it out with the VLC. Let's say for example, and as you can see, share. But you don't see any subtitles right here because the subtitles are not hard encoded onto the video. So now in the video player, as long as the video player has option, you can go to the subtitle, go to subtract right here, and you can see that English is an option. Once you go ahead and select that subtitle track and play, view on the web or copy link to clipboard. So if you were to click on share right here, you get the sharing options. So the app opens up as you can see, and you get the same exact. And that is what you have. And that is how you can actually go ahead and add in subtitles to a video while converting it through Handbrake. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe